Hi friends, welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me go ahead and get started with the weekly ad at Walgreens. I'm not going to show you the entire ad because I know you don't want to look at food items and all that. Do not worry, I'll show you what stands out. I'll bring you a couple more videos, but I'm going to divide them up. And these are the best deals that you're going to probably be able to do this week at Walgreens. All you need is your phone and the digital coupons available on the Walgreens app. These deals start May 8th through May 14th, so do not forget you have an entire week to do these deals. May 8th through May 14th. Let me go ahead and get started with the first one. So these are the deals of the week. We're going to be looking at Dunkin' Donuts coffee, $6.99 or $7.99 for the K cups. We also have the Scott paper towels or toilet paper deal, $5, and we do have a $1.25 coupon, digital coupon, and IVC booklet coupon for $1.25. That coupon is available in the coupon book, the Walgreens IVC booklet. Make sure you give it to the cashier to scan in order for you to save $1.25 on each of those items that you purchase. You could buy 10 of them and you'll save $1.25 on 10 of them. Don't buy 10 of them, of course, because this deal is good for the entire month. So you could buy a couple here and a couple next week and so on and so forth. This deal is going to be a good one at Walgreens this week. The Bounce Downy or Tight Simply Laundry Care will be 4 for $9. 4 for $9. We don't have any digital coupons, but check to see if you have any paper coupons. I believe there were 50-cent or $1 coupons for these. These are the smaller versions of the Tide Simply Bounce Downy products. 4 for $9. If you have any coupons, use them. Make sure you're using the right coupon for the right product. Don't go using the $3 off on the small bottle. Do not do that. That is not the right way of using coupons. Anyhow, if you do have $10 in Walgreens cash, this is the perfect opportunity for you to use $10. You're going to buy 4 of them at $9 with tax. That'll probably bring you over 10. If it doesn't, just add a candy or something else. That'll bring you to $10. Use $10 in Walgreens cash. And that way you do not pay anything out of pocket. You'll be using your Walgreens cash rewards that you already have accumulated. Let's continue. Okay, for the Oral-B Dental Care, Crest and Oral-B Dental Care, they're going to be $4 this week. When we buy 2 of them, we're going to be getting a $4 store reward or register reward. We do have a coupon of $5 on the purchase of 3, so 4 times 3, that's 12. Minus $5, that'll bring our total down to 7. We will get back $4 in register reward, making each Crest or Oral-B dental care product for $1 each. Why did I keep saying Colgate? I don't know why. Blooper. Okay, so $1 each after our $4 register reward. So pick up 3 of them and use your $5 off on 3. That coupon is available starting on Sunday. All of these deals that I'm going to go over are the same deal. So you have to buy them separately if you want to get $4 register reward on each of them. The next deal is on the Head and Shoulders or Herbal Essence. Head and Shoulders or Herbal Essence are 2 for $12. We have a $3 off coupon on 2. That'll make 2 of them for $10. But we will get back a $4 register reward. $3 off on 2. I'm sorry. $3 off on 2. That'll make 2 of them $9. And we have a $4 back on the purchase of 2, making 2 of them for $5 or $2.50. Each Herbal Essence or Head and Shoulders product. $2.50 is not a bad deal. These are $6 regular price or $6.99. So get them, buy them separately, like I said, because these deals are all the same. So we have to buy them each separately. You'll get $4 back, making each of your shampoos $2.50. If you have points, you may use points to purchase these. On all of these, you could use points, you could use cash rewards, not a problem. All right, for this one here, the Irish Spring or Soft Soap Body Wash, we're going to have a digital coupon for $1 off on Sunday. They will be $5 each. I think they went up. Let me know in the comments if you think they went up or not. I believe these went up in price. $5. When we buy two, we're going to get a $4 register reward, bringing our total down to $6. But we have a digital coupon, bringing our total down to $5 for two, or $2.50 each. Now, you may visit easycouponing.info. The link is in the description box and in the first comment, where I may or may not have some coupons on Sunday morning. It really depends on coupons.com, what coupons are going to be uploading. So visit easycouponing.info. On Sunday morning, print out all your coupons. You can print them out now if they're available. Print all your coupons out now and get them before they are gone. Okay? For the Gillette products, it's a okay deal, $10 for the cheapest one. And if we buy two, we're going to be getting back $4 in register reward on two. So that'll be $20 minus $3 coupon on one. That'll be $17 for two. We get $4 back in register reward, making two of them for $13 or $6.50 each. It's an okay deal. If you need razors, well, you could get them at that price. If you have any other razor coupons, use them on this deal. Two for $21 on the Huggies Jumbo Pack diapers, or the pull-ups, two for $21. I think they went up or they went down. I'm not for sure. But I have a better deal. I believe I shared a deal on diapers. I'll look for the video and I'll put it in the comment section and in the community tab, and I'll also include it in the description. So you could click on that deal. You don't need coupons for the other video that I did. No coupons needed. All you have to do is go to the store and get them, and it's a better deal. But if you need diapers and you want to get them at Walgreens, they're two for $21. We don't have any digital coupons yet, but if you have a $5 off coupon, for example, that's usually the one we get. You'll pay two for $16. You'll get $4 back, making them two for $12 or $6 each. Okay. Like I said, I have a better deal in the link that's in the description box, the first comment, or in the community tab. I'll let you go and click through so you can watch that video and find out how to get a really, really good deal on baby products with no coupons needed. Let's move on to the next category. Okay, for the Bounty Charmin Gain Flings and Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent, this week they will be $10.99 with my Walgreens. So you need to enter your phone number in order for you to get it at that price. Okay. Keep in mind, $10.99, yes, it's a little bit high, but everything's going up, so it's a pretty good price. It's a decent price. We're going to be picking up two products, and what makes this deal a good deal is the fact that we're going to be getting a $6 register reward on the purchase of two. So for every two you buy, you'll get $6 in register reward. Remember, we have to buy them separately in order for us to get our register rewards. So two at a time. That's what I mean by separately. So let's say you want to buy two Bounty and two Charmin. Pay the two Bounty first, get your register reward. Then pay your two Charmin, get your register reward. For two products, you're going to be paying $21.98. You'll get $6 back, making two items $15.98. If you have any coupons, use them. I believe there's 25-cent coupons, which is not going to be a big savings, but if you do have them, use them. If you have points, this will be the time to use those points. But if you have a booster, like a spend 20, get 5, do not pay with points. If you don't have any boosters or anything, use your points, get your deal, and get your register rewards with the cash rewards you already have, right? Okay, so let me go ahead and move on to the next section. I love Persil. You guys already know, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love a good Persil deal, and I love my Persil. Check your apps, check your rebate apps to see if there's any rebates on Persil this week. If there is, this will be a good deal for you, $11.99, and we do have a digital coupon for $3 off. That'll come off. That'll be on Sunday. Clip it on Sunday. You'll be paying $8.99 for one of those Persil bottles. Buy one, get one free on the Purex Laundry Care. And that includes the crystals. So make sure you check your stores. I believe they're $7.99 Buy one, get one free, and you'll get $1 back on the purchase of two. $4.49 for the Angel Soft Bad Tissue, and we have a 50-cent coupon, making one of those $3.99. Quilted Northern Bad Tissue has a $1 coupon, making one Mega 24 rolls for $6.49 or $5.49 with the $1 off coupon. The Ultra Strong Complete Home tissue paper or bad tissue, it's 2 for $8. It is 2 for $8. 4 equals 16 mega rolls on Cottonelle is buy one, get one 50% off. Ziploc bags, if you need them, buy one, get one 50% off. Dawn dish detergent is 99 cents. So I hope this video helped you. Make sure you leave me those thumbs up so we can help more people save their money and get them ready for Walgreens. It'll start May 8th through May 14th. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share the video so we can help more people save their money. Thank you for so much love, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget, there's more videos coming. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.